Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first, open your documents. Firstly, select your text and go to the home menu option and select the highlight color option and choose your color. So again that select the text and choose the highlight option color and choose the any color. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.